If you're hot, then call my dad. He'll keep you cool.
Cool Air Technologies was awesome to do business with. They are friendly and reliable and prompt. My pregnant wife was dying in the heat, and we called them up. They came out that same day, took care of us. We checked their quotes, and they're the cheapest by far, and the friendliest by far too. So
I like that they're a family company and family owned, and we like to help the family businesses.
Yeah, and really easy to do business with. I would recommend them to all my friends.